timing fine. So please say goodbye to the Adler Vulcan. Thank you very much.
What, Mark II Spitfire that? What is it?
I don't know.
Now he's going to put the cycling head forward, increase the lift on the app, increase the front. That's you can see there.
Oh, that is awesome, man.
You look closely just behind the cockpit, above the little white bit. You see a little square. If you look very, very closely, you might see Sergeant Vega here giving you away. So if Brett flies the aircraft to ground line, he's going to do the pedal turn. Pedal turn is like a stall turn on a fixed aircraft. So just talking about differential collector pitch is the way that we control entry of the aircraft. That's the really expert is demonstrating now in the move that we like to call the roller coaster. So Brett's going to pull back on the cycling stick, increasing the lift on the front rotor and increasing the lift on the arm. Now he's going to put the cycling stick forward, increasing the lift on the arm, increasing the front. Great, that's
awesome, man.
You look closely just behind the cockpit, above the little white bit. You see a little square. If you look very, very closely, you might see Sergeant Vega here giving you away. So the crew are now going to perform a little wing over to the position. The next move is going to be a move that's actually in operational context. The next move is called a nose down quick stop. It allows us to slow the aircraft very quickly inside the control pitch. The aircraft's now doing about 120 miles an hour, and we'll stop it very quickly about the nose.
That's cool.
Nicely. Ground centre in the corner, we're now going to demonstrate the Gordy climb. The Gordy climb is called so because riding there, makes your pyramid formation. That's the water red lightning in here. Just four projectiles each hour. Projectiles to around 6 feet away in colour. They're forming the shape of one big red arrow with those jets. And in this left-hand turn.
Okay, that's the end. Everyone's going there as soon as the planes flew off. Here with Chris. I think he's really enjoyed himself.
Been awesome.
Can you tell people what your favourite bit was?
Vulcan bomber.
There you go. I mean, I was quite disappointed that it weren't that spaceship from Star Trek, but you know, but I mean, I don't know too much about planes, but I also enjoyed it very much. So that's us signing out. We'll see you later. Me and Chris are going to be on the front. And it was a pleasure to share it with you. Say goodbye, Chris. Hello. No, say goodbye. Oh dear.